straight back. Relaxed shoulders, guitar resting on the right leg. Left fingers curved, right hand loose. When everything lines up like this, every note feels easier and your body stays comfortable. Keep the posture, let the music flow, and you'll progress faster than you think.
When you're learning guitar, the left-hand fingers get numbered. Index is number 1, middle is 2, ring is 3, and the little pinky is number 4. Watch them move one at a time. On the fretboard, those numbers tell you exactly which finger to use. Keep them relaxed, curved, and ready to play.